Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Phaedra from Noble Flowers. About 2 weeks ago we did part 1 of this video, so if you haven't watched that yet, just find that link in the description below. I'll also link it at the end of the video. It's been about 2 weeks, and in the last video what we did was unboxed succulents that we ordered in the mail, and it was pretty fun, and this is how they're going. I'll bring them over. At the end of the video, I'll dig one out and we'll have a look at what the roots are doing. But because they were kind of dehydrated when they got here, it meant I couldn't use them for this project. It was just going to be too fragile. It's much better to use fresh cuttings. So that's what I've got. I've actually been to a couple of friends' houses and I've cut myself some little cuttings. And a friend this morning gave me this little box. So what we're going to do is make our little gifts, so you can use them for Valentine's Day. That's what I'm doing. So Valentine's Day is in like 4 days. Yeah, this video won't be up in time, but for future years you'll be able to use this for Valentine's Day. So you'll need some containers. This is just a cake box. It's actually, I think, a biscuit box. Let's quickly make it. Okay, so that's one option. You can reuse packaging that you've got in the mail. So that's another one. And something else I did was I ordered a heart box, and it's got a little bow and some writing. It just says forever with you. So this is the one I'm using for Valentine's Day. I had an amazing velvet covered heart box and I can't find it, and I've kept it for years for this very project, and now I can't find it. So this has got a few little things in it. It's got some little petal soaps, but I'm pulling all of that out, and a cute little bear. So one of my daughters will love that. So I'm just emptying the box. I will pop a link below for these so that you can buy the same one if you want it. There's a few things that you're going to need. You will need some boxes, and flat ones are probably best. So, you know, not too tall. You're going to need scissors and something to snip your succulents with. You're going to need some cupcake cases, and the little tiny ones are probably easier. You're going to need your succulent cuttings and some pretty ribbon and anything else you want to add. I've also got a printable. It's on Etsy. Etsy doesn't do free listings. I can't pop that on there for free, but it covers the fee that I'm going to get charged for trying to give this away for free. So I will pop that up as well. I'll show you at the end of the video what that is, and you just sit that on top of your box so people know what to do when they actually get their box of succulents. Let's get cracking. First thing you want to do, my mic is probably picking up all that rustling. First thing you want to do is open your boxes and grab some cupcake cases. I'm just trying to think what colour I might use. I've actually got, the pink is pretty bright. That might look good in that one. They're a bit little. Let's have a look. There's white ones, there is bigger ones there. Let's do, maybe I'm going to do red. I've got some little red ones here. And I'll do green in the other. For some stability, you can grab your cupcake case, turn one inside out, and pop it down inside that one, and it holds it up a lot better. So I'll just speed this up and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, we're all done. I'll just come over and show you. So you just want to get them into the boxes like this. And now for the fun part. So, obviously if you choose a larger box, you're going to fit more cuttings in. So then you just choose out your little pieces that you want to pop in. Like, I might snip that off a tiny bit shorter and pop that in there. I might put a couple of this one in. It's just going to look really cute. If I got this present, I would be so chuffed. So chuffed. Oh, that one's got roots on it, so that's a shame. I'm going to cut them off, but we can regrow them. It'll be fine. Oh, this one has a cute little flower. It's actually quite big. So I might put another piece of that in there. So you just kind of want to fill up the cases with the same type of succulent. So that's all the same type, that one. This one, maybe I could like put another piece in of that one in there. Even that, oh, I don't think that'll fit. Let's just snip it off shorter. Pop it in like that. These ones will just kind of flop over. These are really nice. These are really nice. Whoops. Might even put them in with that one. You just want it to look really nice and full. So it's like somebody's getting a box of chocolates, but it's actually a box of succulents, which for me would be so exciting. I'm going to leave the soil on that one because I'll replant it later. This one I really like. Let's just fill that one up. We'll go with this now. Let's pick out this. So normally you would cut that, you know, you'd be cutting it off a larger plant, but my friend has given me succulents that she's already been propagating, which is so nice. This little one, it's got little flowers in it. Normally you wouldn't do cuttings with little flowers, but because it's a gift, it's going to look really pretty. So we're doing it. Okay, I'm going to snip a bit off my husband's plants here. He's going to love me. So depending how many you're making, you do kind of need... That one's got a bung leaf. Let's just... Oh, it's got a little spider on it too. We'll leave him in there. Yeah, I thought I had another piece of that. I like that little one. We've used that. Yeah, what's this one? Let's pop that in there. Got another nice big one here. I'm going to snip it. Okay. What I might do is pull up one of these that we grew the other day and just have a look what it's doing. These are the succulents that we potted up the other day, and if you have a look at this, this was just a cutting, no roots, and it's already growing roots. So that is so cool. I'll pop that in just for the sake of showing you how a box looks when it's nice and full. So then what we do is we pop the lids on. I've actually got a little instruction card that you can go to Etsy, and I just couldn't put it on there for free because they don't support free items. So you can print that off and print it to whatever scale you want and pop it in the top so that when people get their gift, they know what to do with it when it arrives. And this one, as you can see through the lid. So let's just pretty this up. How cute. If I got this as a present, I would be so happy. Thank you so much for watching. This is Phaedra Rodriguez from Noble Flowers. Please see our description below this video for all the notes of the video and where to buy certain things that you saw in the video. We hope you have heaps and heaps of fun doing this little project and that you put some smiles on people's faces, your friends or loved ones, or even it could be for like a school fundraiser for Valentine's Day, which is what I'm using it for. And enjoy. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.